Hello and welcome back to another video Magic Card, and today we are back with another crypto video. Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be revisiting SELETTI.AI. What has it been doing, and does the withdraw button work? Now, I haven't made a video on this in quite a bit actually, and it has still been printing me my money, which is 0.7% a day of my $1,000 investment. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not only going to be the topic of today's video, we're going to be talking about the PAM portfolio that you can soon invest in. And by the way, looking at the trade reports, which you can see so far showing literally all the previous days, it's been averaging an average rate of 1.179 daily percentage ROI, which is actually pretty crazy, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so all of the results have been here. Their active users has been increasing, so the total value stake is at $74,000, which, by the way, it's actually, little when you think of like other stuff like Quopi, which, by the way, Quopi has absolutely basically rugged. They ran away, ladies and gentlemen. They ran away. But what is SELETTI.AI doing different right now? Okay, it's already been running for over, I believe, 2 months right now, which is great. This is already a very, it's already successful in the definition of crypto, because just how things go and come quickly, right? What I like as well, obviously they're taking action. For example, hiring a CEO that directs them in the right area, and which, by the way, I was listening to their AMA. I didn't listen to all of it. I listened to the highlights and listened to the beginning. I believe he also has a background in systems engineering, which I really respect. Actually, I want to get into systems engineering, and I know having a background in systems engineering and being a CEO, that plays really well for a project like this. You need to be doing stuff correctly, efficiently. You need to be handling multidisciplinary backgrounds. Like, okay, you're not a technical person, but can you tell this technical team to work on the right things? You know what I mean? Because they don't really understand how the whole picture works. They need to know, what should I work on, what should I change, XYZ. So a lot of the burden right now is on that CEO, which I do, I trust. I think when I was looking at the interview, I believe he said that he has worked with the people behind Seletti, even outside of crypto. So that's really great. I believe they said they know each other for 3 or more years. Correct me if I'm wrong. So that's really great stuff, honestly, ladies and gentlemen. And he talked about how, that the white paper is not just a static white paper. It's going to be dynamic. They will take feedback. And I've seen this in one of the comments, ladies and gentlemen. I've seen people say, okay, this is not really decentralized. What's the point of this? But that's the thing. If you keep it decentralized, ladies and gentlemen, you do understand that if you keep it truly decentralized, where it's immutable, as you evolve the project, you're now stunted from growing it and scaling it up even further. You know what I mean? What if this PAM portfolio came as an idea 2 weeks after launch of Seletti 2 months ago? They can't really add it, right? So that's why there's certain things where, okay, you can't really have decentralization, okay? Which I absolutely get. It's like running a company, literally. I know this is super risky, but that's why it's running on crypto. That's why it's running on crypto. That's why you got numbers like this, stuff like this, that's making it possible, okay? This is absolutely not financial advice, right? This is obviously a risk. Always, guys, every single penny that I have in my crypto portfolio is literally made up and built up from risk capital. You know what I mean? I can't really remember the last time I deposited fresh capital into this, into crypto in general. Okay, that's how you should play it. You invest your initial risk capital, you take your winnings, take out on a percentage of it, okay, cash it out your bank, but don't cash back more in unless you're trying to grow your portfolio, do other stuff, XYZ. Always diversify your portfolio. You guys already know. Okay, I'm not here to talk about how to be a disciplined trader, but ladies and gentlemen, this video is about SELETTI.AI's new, which will launch in 2 days and 7 hours, which I'm so excited. This is basically a Forex bot, ladies and gentlemen. It's a Forex bot that has a maximum investment of, obviously, infinity, minimum investment of $500, and as you guys can see from the results, it's been averaging 1.17% daily ROI, right? And I was thinking, like, you do understand when you go to home, you have the option to reinvest, but obviously today I'm going to be withdrawing, right? Because I feel like I want to feel comfortable by ROIing, and then then I can start thinking about reinvesting. It really depends on what strategy you have. But I was looking at the APR to APY calculator, because if you guys didn't know, obviously APR is annual percentage return to annual percentage yield, right? One is obviously without doing anything. You're just getting the normal returns, interest change, right? The APY is when you yield that daily or monthly or whatever, and you turn it into, this is when you use compound interest basically, right? So if we're talking about 365% APR, right, this is what it's averaging basically, or 370, 380, let's keep it 365. Now if you are, for example, doing a daily or a weekly compound where you're reinvesting that in, where basically you're clicking this reinvest, ladies and gentlemen, that turns your APR to 3,300%. This is an almost 10x of your APR. Now, obviously, you need to understand that with this comes the fact that you're compound interesting. That means you're not really cashing out any of your profits, right? You have to take a whole year out, or depends. Now, obviously, I had different strategies. I remember my days in drip, if you guys do remember that, where I basically, what I did was, 3 days invest, the 4th day I cash out. Or you can do 2 days invest, 1 day cash out. It's really up to you guys. You can even do half, 1 day that, alternate day this. Okay, it's as simple as that, really. So I just wanted to say, that is a strategy, and 1% daily ROI is absolutely sick, especially if this is truly from a Forex bot, right? And there is a dashboard that you can just look at it. You know what I mean? You have to think to yourself, okay, this kind of takes really hard to fake it. It's almost easier to just actually engineer a Forex bot than to just fake these numbers on a daily. Now, I'm not saying I know 100%. I can't really, you know what I mean? But, the CEO, he is obviously doxing himself. 2-year contract he has as a CEO, and he wants to do the best, direct the SELETTI.AI to be, where it should go, by taking feedback from people like us, people who make videos, people like you, the investors. So please do that. Interact with this video, keep a comment. Tell me what you think, no matter if it's a good thing or a bad thing about Seletti. It opens my eyes as well, right? So yeah, it was a great, point. Whoever commented, it's not decentralized. Why should he did it? Yeah, let's address it. Let's talk about things. Really, this is what crypto is all about. It's about freedom, ladies and gentlemen. Really, this is why I like doing crypto videos. This is why, it's my second full-time job, honestly. So yeah. Going back to it, 92 members, 74k value staked, pretty good stuff. Like, this is growing pretty consistently, organically, nice stuff. And yeah, the last thing I just want to say is that obviously the white paper talks about the Forex PAM, which we were going to cover real quick. Obviously, it's going to be 100% allocated in the Forex Trader bot that they do. Obviously, they're not going to, it's not going to be open sourced. It's proprietary to their, and they will carry on changing stuff, as he mentioned, the CEO, which, let me remember his name. What was his name? With SELETTI.AI. Let's scroll down. I believe it was like 6th of December. That's where he did. Yeah, Lenny G. That's him. So yeah, that's what he talked about. They continuously working and liaising and just carry on taking feedback, really. But basically, yeah, fund strategy. The quantitative Forex PAM fund is managed automatic Forex trading system that is powered by SELETTI.AI. The SELETTI.AI continuously analyzes financial data, including historical price movements, market news, technical indicators, and more. It uses this analysis to make data-driven decisions about future market trends and potential trading opportunities. Based on its analysis, the SELETTI.AI generates trading signals and strategies. These strategies include buy/sell, executions, risk management parameters, and position sizing calculations. Really interesting stuff. So yeah, benefits of the PAM account powered by AI, advanced analysis. AI can process vast amounts of data. Yeah, that's actually a pretty good point. Automation, that's also a very good point. It could be 24/7, really. And efficiency, AI can operate 24/7, take advantage of global markets and reacting swiftly to market movements. Really, really great stuff. And yeah, as you guys can see, you can kind of see, select section structure. What kind of, the euro to USD has been looking at that. It's been looking at euro to Great British pounds, USD to, I believe that's Canadian USD, I'm not sure, and then Bitcoin to USD. So it's also jumping in on crypto stuff, so that's really great. So it's kind of diversified, right? So that's really great stuff. Honestly, I'm really looking forward. In 2 days, ladies and gentlemen, this could be huge, right? SELETTI.AI could be bigger than Quopi. Okay, so I would honestly, if I were you, keep some tabs open, do your own research, and I'll leave the link to this in the description. And without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, the best part and my personal favorite part is testing the withdrawal button. So let's click on that. I have $67, which should bring this number to $200 something. What that means, I've had 20% of my initial investment so far, which is really good. So yeah, I'm gonna click on withdraw. Let me actually refresh. We're gonna click on, oh, we already did withdraw. Oh no, I need to connect. And yeah, so you can honestly use also trust wallets, so you know you don't have to use MetaMask. I understand people. Oh, I need to log in. And then now that we're in, I'm going to click on withdraw. Oh, there's 2 claim rewards. I'm going to click on, the good thing about that, this is on BNB. It's as beautiful as, what was I going to say? It's as beautiful as 12 cents per transaction. So even when you're doing that reinvestment, it's actually not that bad. Oh, look at that. Funds available, 2.35. Huh. Let's do a quick refresh. Oh, actually, no. Let me check my account and see. Go to, no, this is not my other account. It would be this account. Go to tokens and it will give me back in USDT. And there you go. It's as simple as that, ladies and gentlemen. It takes literally under 30 seconds to get it. I was just here fumbling. Probably because I didn't log into my MetaMask. But it's as simple as that, ladies and gentlemen. This number will update very soon. $235 there. But yeah, honestly, guys, SELETTI.AI, really great so far. I like how the website is. I like how they're moving, slowly updating, you know, their dynamic white paper. They're doing the right things. Okay, they're really doing the right things. And I really like that. I'm really looking forward for this. Like, this could be a Christmas thing, man. Like, you know what I mean? Christmas. This will be my Christmas, you know, over in crypto. With I might do an investment in this as well, because it's 1% daily ROI. Ladies and gentlemen, that's really great. 1% daily ROI. Like, you're making money from a bot that is, you know, trading arbitrage, trading, you know, Forex. It's actually straight up Forex that, you know, is not even affected by whether the fact if we're in the bear market or bull market. Okay, that's a good thing. When it's a bloody week and not a lot of money is being made, what's making you money? It's projects like this, and this is why I liked it. I've been making $6 per day consistently the past months. Happy days, man. Happy days. You know what I mean? This is one portfolio to add to your, this is one project to add to your portfolio. Imagine you have now tens, hundreds of these. And all of a sudden you're making $100 per day, you're making $300 per day, $500 per day, $1,000 per day. And all of a sudden you're giving your resignation letter to your 9-to-5 boss. And he's saying, adios amigos. One day that will be true and that will be reality. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I made it way too long. Yeah, hopefully you did find it informative. So keep an eye on the PAM account. That is very bullish. Okay, let me know what you think of that. And again, thank you to all my members, DeFi Insiders. You can join today and watch every other token that I'm holding for the bull run that other whales are holding as well, that I've made already a lot of money from. Become a DeFi Insider. You'll get that intel back in that value that you're paying me straight away. Because I have 3 videos there already. I'm going to be uploading 1 video per week for exclusive for DeFi Insiders. So yeah, it's a lot of information there, a lot of value, a lot of insights in how bull markets work and how they run cycles. You know what I mean? Elliot's wave, you know, stuff like that. So yeah, become a DeFi Insider. We've got nice people there as well. I'm really happy they're really enjoying it so far. So anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to end the video there. Join my Telegram link in the description as well, by the way. The Farmers community, we've got 235 people. That's where you meet people from my community, say hi, hello, ask your questions. Everyone there is very welcoming, and I'll be there to answer all your questions as well. So I'll see you later. Take care.